The Cococozy Design House series is a social series that we put together to show you a first-time house flipper going through the process of flipping a house. You sent this to me. I have no idea how I would ever landscape a house. Oh, it's gorgeous. Look at this house.
I hate the palms.
Okay, I have a fear of heights. I cannot go up there.
Really?
I can't. No, I can't. Alejandro, I can't. Boo, I'm telling you, I'm not going. You go ahead and search for the windows up there. Bye-bye.
Is that shampoo niche centered?
Should it be centered? Master bathroom floor is going to the dumpster. And so now we have to start over from scratch. So now Steve is getting mad. This is like so much shopping so quickly. I can't do this. Staging is the fun part, but when we got to that point and all the furniture and everything was coming in and the 5 stagers came in to help, I didn't know if we would have enough time to pull it off.
She said it's going to take these guys 20 minutes to unload the truck. They're still here, and they're unloading.
But at some point, it was like, we got to get through this. In the end of the day, it was an incredible journey. I couldn't be happier with the end result.
Wow! This is where the magic happens.
We had some good days and we had some bad days. But all in all, after everything, we were an extremely effective team, and you're only as good as your team. You know, I wanted to do this series to kind of peel back the veil on design and design houses and to show you what it's really like that, you know, if you put your mind to something, even if you haven't done it before, you can do it.